the git clone, what it does is it clones from internet to your local laptop. Okay, downloads it, it's basically. Okay, if I run this command, it is asking for a username and then password. And for password, right here, what we need to go here is click on the settings here at the top, and then developer settings, personal access token, classic, just say generate now. I need to generate a token. I'm just giving a test, but select what all the things you wanted to give it. I'm just selecting randomly. Okay, but if you are working on any specific project, it will be on a selective bit. I will select everything. So generate a token. Okay, this is your password. Okay, copy this password. This is unique to yourself. Okay, so I will paste it here. So this authentication has happened. So it has downloaded complete code.